Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI creation platform, which is Picsart and Canva. So we get started with a quick breakdown and analysis about these two platforms to be able to decide which of these will be a better option for you to use in 2025. So let's get started with the breakdown and the review about these two platforms, which is Picsart and Canva. So in 2025, Picsart is a powerful choice for creators who want a mix of photo editing, AI tools, and creative freedom. It excels in mobile-based design with features like AI background removal, photo retouching, object erasers, filters, and colleagues, and even video editing. Picsart is perfect for influencers, content creators, and small business owners who want to design trending, personalized visual quickly, especially for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. So Canva, on the other hand, is a top pick for professionals looking for template and design simplicity. It's built for teams, marketers, and everyday users who need to create things like presentation, resume, poster, social media graphics, and even videos. How with drag and drop ease, Canva's AI tools like Brand Kit and Massive Template Library make it ideal for consistent branding and multiple platform. This for multiple multiple platform campaign, and it also supports teams collaboration and content scheduling. And here's a better conclusion about these two platforms. You can easily go with Picsart if you need hand-on creative editing, visual effect, and artistic photo or video editing or video design. On the other hand, you can choose Canva if you need a polished, ready-made template and brand consistency and even professional design tools. So for creative, Picsart win, and for published business, ready design and Canva is the smartest choice in that aspect for published business and ready design. And that's it.